In the throes of World War II, innovation was not a luxury but a necessity. The V-2 rockets, a marvel of German engineering, were no exception. These rockets were more than just weapons. They were the pioneers of a new era of technology and exploration. But did you know that the Germans took this innovation a step further by incorporating cameras into these rockets? In the early 40s, the V-2 rocket, or Vergeltungswaffe 2 as it was known in Germany, was in its embryonic stages of development. The Germans were keen to monitor the performance of this novel weapon, and to do so, they decided to attach cameras onto these rockets. These cameras were not just for recording the destruction caused by the rockets, but were instrumental in the research and development process. The first cameras installed on the V-2 rockets were rudimentary and fixed. The images they captured were grainy and lacked detail. However, they provided valuable insights into the rocket's trajectory and speed. The Germans realized the potential of these cameras and decided to improve upon this technology. By mid-40s, the Germans had managed to develop more sophisticated cameras. These cameras were capable of capturing high-resolution images and could even withstand the extreme conditions of a rocket launch. They became an integral part of the V-2 rocket program, providing invaluable data that helped refine the rocket's design and improve its performance. These cameras also played a crucial role in documenting the rocket's journey from the launch pad to its target. They captured every minute detail of the launch, the flight, and the impact. These images were then analyzed by German scientists to further improve the rocket's design and efficiency. The use of cameras on V-2 rockets was not just a testament to German innovation, but also set the stage for future technological advancements. It paved the way for the use of cameras in space exploration and satellite imaging. To summarize, the Germans were indeed innovative in their approach during the research and development of the V-2 rockets. They were the first to incorporate cameras into rockets, providing a unique perspective of the rocket's journey and its impact. These cameras played a pivotal role in the development of the V-2 rockets, providing invaluable data that helped improve their design and performance. Moreover, they set the stage for future advancements in space exploration and satellite imaging. The use of cameras on V-2 rockets is a significant chapter in the history of technology, a testament to human ingenuity and innovation.